Paano ba nagsimula ang kwento niyo dalawa?
Barkada nga.
Kailan niyo na-realize na talaga, uy, iba na to?
Medyo I'm a go-getter. I'm really a go-getter. If I want something, I'm gonna go for it.
May mga pagkakataon ba na kailangan niyo mag-compromise with each other? Sometimes ba may feeling ka na hindi mo deserve to be treated that way? So alam mo bakit? Kung ganun ka, heal ka.
I am.
Bago ang tagumpay, may kwentong di mo alam. Pera at buhay, ito ang tunay na usapan.
Okay, Federico, right now, napag-usapan natin ang journey mo bilang anak ni Kuya Germs, and also we talked about your dad. No, I'm proud really to know your dad and have an opportunity to really walk with him, and also bilang entrepreneur. Pero syempre, hindi kumpleto ang kwento ng isang tao kung hindi pag-usapan ang taong kasama niya sa buhay. Grabe, sa pagkakataon to, mas makukumpleto natin ang kwento dahil makasama natin ngayon ang special someone niya sa kanyang buhay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome kapatid ko, si Harleen Bautista. Hi, Harleen.
Thank you.
Oo naman.
Thank you for having us. Sa mga nanonood at nakikinig po. Kamusta po kayo?
Harleen, Federico, paano ba nagsimula ang kwento niya dalawa?
Matagal na kami magkakilala kasi nga taga-That's ako. So from time to time, a few times nakita ko siya sa That's, sa studio. And then, barkada niya, si Kuya Hero, sa high school.
Oh.
Yun. So, talagang sabihin na natin, malapit talaga. But, hindi kami nagkikita talaga nun kasi sila ni Kuya Hero. And then, 2019, after ng reunion nila, kasama ako ni Kuya Hero kasi we came from a parang awards night yon. So, kasama ko si Kuya Hero, sa kanya ako nakasakay. Sabi niya, daan muna tayo sa reunion ng Immaculate. So doon, nakita kami ulit doon. That's the first time na nagkausap kami. Kinamusta ko siya, kinamusta niya ako. And then, fast forward to March, lockdown, nangamusta siya, ganyan, gano'n. Doon na nag-start yun.
Grabe, no?
Oo. But that time, pareho na kaming separated sa mga namin.
Yeah, mga partner niyo. So, what was your first impression? Okay, ikaw muna.
Wala akong sa kanya kasi ayoko nang matanda sa akin. Yung malaki yung agwat sa akin.
Bakit? Ilan ba agwat niyo?
Kasi nga, kabarkada ni si Kuya Hero, akala ko magka-age sila ni Kuya Hero.
Mas bata kasi ako kay Hero.
Oh, 1 year lang pala yan. So,
okay.
pwede na, pumasa naman.
Ano naman impression mo kay Harleen? Siyempre, magkaibigan ka ni Hero.
Kasi pagkausap mo siya, alam mo ganun siya eh. Alam mo yan. And then, no, when I say ganun, alam mo na, this is an empowered woman. That's what I mean. And kasi pag titignan mo si Harleen, akala mo suplada pero hindi. Mahiyain siya.
So, kailan nyo na-realize na talaga, uy, iba na to? Uy, pasensya na kayo, hindi ako nagiging OG ngayon, ha? Pero I'm just curious ba?
Nanligaw siya. Siya yung talagang, siguro pangalawang tao lang na nanligaw sa akin ng formal na kinausap niya yung mga kuya ko. So, doon ako parang na-impress. Parang, seryoso siya.
Wala na sila papa, mama.
Wala na. Pandemic, wala na sila noon. So, kinausap niya yung mga kapatid ko. And sabi ko, Ama, may ganito pa pala sa panahon ngayon.
Where did you get that, I mean, I'm sure, who taught you?
No one taught me, but just came out naturally. Kasi, again, wala na kasi yung si Tito Butch, Tita Baby, and it's just proper na sino yung, lalo na mas matanda yung mga kapatid niya, na magpasabi or to give, magbigay pugay.
Na-appreciate ko kasi, 'di ba, at this day and age, tsaka mga of age na kami, may mga anak na ganyan, 'di ba? Pero parang pwede naman na wala na 'yun 'di ba? Lagpasan na, but he chose to do that.
Honestly, Federico, I want to say this to you. That shows a lot of respect. I can still remember when I stated my intention sa wife ko. I asked permission to court her. That's number one. She agreed. Nung nag-agree na siya, I spoke also to the parents. So guys, I hope yung mga kalalakihan ngayon, huwag na sabihin natin, hindi na uso yan eh. Okay lang kung hindi ka naniniwala. I will not impose what we believe, pero isang malaking plus factor yan sa mga magulang. 'Di ba? Kung maganda naman talaga intention mo sa tao, dapat di mo talaga itago.
Hindi lang sa magulang, pati doon sa nililigawan mo. Yeah, kasi para sa akin nakita ko na, nirerespeto niya ako. Hindi ako yung parang, gusto ko lang ng date or something gano'n. Parang iba yung halaga ko for
Wow.
him.
Halatang in love si yun.
Hindi, alam mo, not just as a partner, no, but as how he is sa mga bata, sa mga anak niya, sa mga anak ko. Ang talagang pinapapasalamatan ko ay si Kuya Germs and his lola because talagang they raised a very wonderful, a very loving, and a true gentleman.
Magalang, no?
Super. Super kind. Parang lahat na lang nakikitaan niya ng kindness sa lahat.
But going back to yung nagpasintabi, no? It's important also for the children to see that and to know why. Kasi ganda yung mga anak namin. Mga bata kasi, I have 4, she has 5, 32, magsa-33 na yung panganay ko, down to 23, magta-23. Siya naman, 29, pababa to 13. So, medyo ganun yung hagdanan. Madaming steps yan.
Yan, amazing.
So, being an example is very important. But I also wanted to make sure that her children knows that their mom is in good hands. Na nagpaalam kina tito nila. Kasi mahirap yun eh. Mahirap yun kasi, okay, I'll be very so open. Siyempre, iba yung nagkahiwalayan ng pamilya.
Yeah, dynamics, iba.
Iba, may pain yan eh.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
going to, hey, I'm here, my girlfriend, yung mga bata, medyo maano pa yan, masakit yan, diba? So, making it lessening the pain.
So, paano yung transition?
I think it's just a blessing. It's God's grace na walang nahirapan. Hindi siya nahirapan, hindi ako nahirapan. Yung mga bata, nag-blend agad, nag-gel agad sila na parang like siblings, ganon. It's all God's grace talaga.
Just to add lang, no? Yung sinishare ko kanina for her children and also on my side, for my children, we want to make sure na it's also light.
Yeah. O, nagpaalam ka?
Nagpaalam ako sa mga bata. Guys, I'm dating. Sabi ko, I'm dating, ha? Sabi ko, sino? Ganyan. Ganun na yung mga tanong. Sino dad? Ganyan.
So, ano sabi nung sinabi mo si Harleen?
They were very happy. They were very excited. I remember one time, mahilig kasi kami lumabas sa mga bata. That was the one time na clubbing kami. Binata. Tapos may titignan akong chick. Nakita ko yung dalawang, my first and my second. Tapos sabi niya, just go for it, dad. Alam mo, sabi niya, if you're happy, we're happy.
Wow.
Lalo lumakas yung loob ko. I mean, hindi ko pinuntahan yung chick. Pero that was such a, wow, I'm so blessed.
Pero during that time, honestly, di ba, or you're on your own, resigned ka na ba to the fact na magiging single ka forever?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Yeah, prior to the pandemic. Well,
Yes.
pero nung nagkita kami nung nung reunion, sabi ko, I started calling her na, medyo nagte-text na ako.
Nagte-text siya. Tapos, hindi ko sinasagot kasi parang, barkada nga ni Kuya Hiro, parang, ba't siya nagte-text sa akin? Na-weirdan ako. So, parang gano'n. Tapos, sabi ko, kaya lang nakakahiya ako, hindi ko sasagutin. Dahil, nagre-reply naman talaga ako sa kanya before pag nag-message about that. Hindi, pag about that, mag-reply ako agad, di ba? Pero yung mga, hi, how are you, mga ganun-ganun lang. Ay, hindi naman tungkol sa that's to. Bakit ako tinitext? Ganon. Marang na-weirdan.
Kailan mo naman nalaman yung moment na, oh no, I think,
Na parang gusto ko na.
oo.
Ano siya masugid na manliligaw, kumbaga. Parang naging high school ulit na nililigawan. Papadalan ka ng bulaklak.
Anong feeling nun, di ba?
Masaya. Parang, ay, ganito pala yung feeling. Ang pinaka nag-seal talaga was yung kinausap na yung mga kuya ko. Yun talaga yun. Pero yun, sinasabi ko nga sa kanya, up to this day, consistent siya. Kung paano siya noon, ganun pa rin siya ngayon.
Ilan taon na kayo ngayon?
Magsi-6.
Magsi-6 na kami.
So, in 6 years, ganun pa rin.
Ganun pa rin. Consistent.
In other words, dinedate ka pa rin niya hanggang ngayon. How often do you date, Harleen?
We have our weekly schedule na mag-date. That is Thursday. Minsan sasablay, pero minsan, my love, Friday tayo mag-date, ha?
Adjust.
Adjust tayo, ha?
Alam mo guys, ito lang siguro, I've been married also for 26 years by the grace of God. Yung one thing that they taught us, yung counselors namin, Never stop dating your wife. Kasi the reason why napaibig mo siya, nagustuhan ka dahil nanligaw ka. Hindi pagkatapos na mag-asawa na kayo, housemate na lang kayo. Kaya nga we look forward every Monday. Kami Monday naman.
Monday.
Yeah. Kahit na busy ako, alam niya, Monday, kami lang.
Kayo lang.
Oo.
Kaumpisa pa lang, naglatagan na parang, kasi nga may tanda na tayo. Hindi naman tayo naghahanap ng kasama sa buhay. Pero kung tutuloy natin to, ito expectations mo, ito expectations ko. Kaya ba natin? Hindi. Kung hindi, let's move on
Parang
with
ano
our
siya,
lives.
diba? Yung parang may transparency.
Yes.
Kung anong intention, anong plano. Kung okay tayo, tuloy natin. Kung hindi, wag na lang. Diba?
Sayang ang effort, sayang ang panahon. Tingnan mababalik lahat yan eh. Sayang yung emosyon na ibibigay, mag-i-invest ka ng emosyon. Tapos wala rin.
At saka alam mo, isa pa na-observe ko. Honestly, guys. Again, pasensya na kayo ha. Alam ko parang nagbabago na tong channel na ito.
Love,
Pasensya na, pero ano talaga, I don't know eh. Doon pumunta yung usapan eh. Pero you know what? Why you're really meant for each other also. Ito lang, observation from an outsider. Because tinanong ko kayo eh, are you already resigned to the fact that you are going to be single already on your own? Alam mo, yung katagang you complete me, magandang pakinggan. Pero from what I've learned, one incomplete person plus another incomplete person, put them together, two incomplete persons. One lonely person plus another put them together, two lonely persons. It should be one happy and complete person plus another happy and complete person. Put them together. They're both happy and complete. Diba? Kung incomplete ka and you're going to look for yung
To complete,
Oo.
for someone to complete you.
Oo,
Hindi yun
wala.
eh. Hindi, Ang ganda. Thank you for that.
bilang mag-asawa na may parehong karir at negosyo, paano nyo naman binabalanse? Honestly, that's challenging. Relationship and business. You're both in business together, right? Paano?
Well, lagi naman kaming magkasama. But most of parang siya yung think tank. Yung personality niya, siya yung mataas ang energy, madaming energy. So, ako yung medyo tahimik na nag-iisip ng, I don't know, creatives or mga suggestions, ganyan, here and there. But I think ako yung support, more on the support to keep on going, parang ganun. Ako yung baterya. Yun na lang yung sasabihin ko. But of course, dalawa kami. Magkasama pa rin kami, side by side.
And that's a very good question, Chinky. Kasi when we were doing the business, there was a time, dahil kagaya ng nasabi niya, medyo hyper tayo. Medyo I'm a go-getter. I'm really a go-getter. If I want something, I'm gonna go for it. So that should be equated with energy.
Yeah.
So, kinuusap niya ako. Kasi iba yung dynamics ng bawat isa. So, nung tinanong niya ako, my love, tanong ko lang, dalawa ba tayo dito? Ganda nung tanong niya eh. Sinabi ko, yes, dalawa tayo dito. Kasi, yan ang kagandahan ng ganito na very mature kaming couple na hindi mahirap magsalita. Hindi yung dadating sa punto na, puro ikaw, walang ganun. Wala kaming ganun. Very mature way of saying it, direct to the point, walang sugarcoating. And ganun kami mag-usap, no? Every na pinag-usap po, pagkakausapin mo ko, wala. Nagkalatagan kami. Yung sinabi ni Arlene, nako yung latagan na yan, as in lahat. Lahat. Our beliefs, sa lahat. I won't add anymore. Sa lahat ng bagay. So, doon pa lang bago nag-umpisa yung relationship, mas madali na. Kasi nagkalatagan bago pa lang.
So in other words, yung transparency and honesty,
Yeah.
yun ang foundation.
Yeah. Tsaka yung yung pause and listen to the other person. Hindi yung nagsasalita siya, nag-iisip ka na agad ng gusto mong sabihin. Makinig ka, pakinggan mo muna yung sasabihin and then, tsaka ka sumagot ng akmang sagot. Hindi yung sagot na gusto niyang marinig, ha? Yung tamang sagot mo from your heart.
O, minsan pag sasagot kagad ako, sabi niya, ka muna,
Teka
my
lang,
love.
teka lang.
Kasi hyper nga ako eh. My love, time out na. Hindi ka listen what?
Listen.
Saan nyo natutunan to?
Siguro dahil sa
Mga
may edad na
pagkakamali.
kami. Edad niya. Oo, diba? Kasi we went through a lot, diba? Lahat tayo, diba? So we learn from those.
We always pray for, a great day. First, once I open my eyes, today is a great day. Bam! That sets the mood for the entire day, Chinky.
Ching positive ka talaga.
Positive.
Then we pray, Lord, for, of course, all the children kami. and also yung peaceful day. So when you utter those words, when you say those words, automatic eh. So probably. I believe that is the reason why.
Siyempre, whether you like it or not, may mga pagkakataon you don't agree. Di ba? Hindi naman mali na mag-disagree, di ba? Pero how do you disagree to agree? Di ba? But at the end of the day, disagree. O, ito yung opinion ko, ito yung pananaw ko. Pero at the end of the day, nag-agree pa rin kayo. Paano nyo ginagawa?
Para sa akin, ako talaga, I pause and I listen and I assess. And then, pagka i-observe ko and then tingin ko talagang hindi talaga, that's when I speak. Sasabihin ko sa kanya. Pero, kung ganon, nag-pause ako, I listened and observed, and then makikita ko, okay naman, magsasalita pa rin ako. Pero sabihin ko na, okay, maganda, ganon. You have to appreciate what your partner is doing then. Kasi nga sabi ko sa'yo, ako yung baterya niya. So, kailangan ko siya, ma-recharge siya.
Pero would you say na siya yung risk taker, ikaw yung conservative?
I think, oo, ganun nga. Yes, because him being a go-getter, talagang parang wala siyang
Preno.
preno.
No?
Yeah.
Oo.
Oo.
Pero ikaw, do you feel naman empowered? Iba kasi yung background ng dalawang tao eh. It's not what you say eh. It's how you say it. Pero ikaw, nako-communicate mo ng tama eh. Tama?
Yes, and
Kaya nga, do you feel empowered?
very much because kinausap niya ako na, alam mo yung we're not married yet, but man, the way she supports me, sinabi niya sa akin, I will be here for you and I will support you. That's mabigat sa akin yun. Kasi, ano ko eh, gaya yung sinabi niya, I'm a go-getter. And when you have big dreams, so much pressure. Big dreams, like what I said, it equates to so much challenges. And you need that person to be there for you to really help and support you.
Lahat ng mag-asawa, merong ano yan eh, may mga concerns, di ba? May mga pagkakataon ba na kailangan nyo mag-compromise with each other?
We never spoke about that we compromise on something. What I meant by that is, andali kasi sa amin eh.
Parang, nafe-feel ko na kailangan kong mag-adjust for a certain okay, mag-a-adjust ako, siya ganun din. Tapos sasabihin niya na, sige, okay lang my love, ganito, ganyan. Huwag na natin gawin to. Or kahit wala akong sabihin minsan, kasi mafe-feel niya na parang uneasy ako about something, siya din ganun. So yun yung compromise. Parang, siguro dahil kilala namin yung isa't isa.
Yeah.
And dahil yung communication namin is hindi mahirap talagang mag-usap eh.
Do you find Federico considerate?
Very.
So, in the sense na because he's so considerate at saka parati kang iniisip, ano yung pakiramdam mo? Yung parang, do you feel that you need to reciprocate na ibabalik mo naman sa kanya?
Oo, kasi minsan nga feeling ko parang masyado na akong matigas. Alam mo yun, ayaw niya ako talagang ma-offend or masakit.
So, siya parati na parang nag-a-adjust na.
Parang gano'n, oo.
Sometimes pa may feeling ka na hindi mo deserve to be treated that way.
Hindi, ako I embrace it. I'm so blessed that I am treated this way.
So, alam mo bakit? Kung ganun ka, healed ka.
Amen. I am.
Yeah.
I am.
So, anong pinaka-importanteng rule nyo sa mag-asawa pagdating naman sa finances?
Well, for now, because we're running this new corporation, this new business, we have our own designation. She's our president and chief marketing officer. I'm chairman CEO. So because of this early stage, everything is in the business. We have a few partners, but then again, it's too early. It's our first business venture. It's together, I mean. So now our focus is to business, whatever it is there, put everything back there. We're very fortunate now. We have different sources of income. So everything is focused in the business.
Sige, paano naman pinasok tong food na business?
Kasi 'di ba, first business nga niya food, 'di ba? Kami din, nila kuya nung maliliit kami, food na rin.
O, di ba, nagbebenta kayo ng pagkain sa labas ng
Meron
bahay?
kaming ganun, pero before pa nun, yung apartment namin, tinransform nila mama at papa into a mini restaurant. Kaya sila kay Herbert kumakanta sa mga customers, gano'n. Mahilig kami sa food. So, yun. So, kaya, learning from the past businesses, at lalo na sa panahon ngayon, naisip namin, marami yung renta ng restaurant. Kung magre-restaurant ka, pareho kami nag-restaurant, manpower, etc. So, we wanted something different, something new for us na gusto naming i-offer naman, no? And we decided to make a beef flakes, a ready-to-eat. It's in a jar, hindi siya sa lata, because my eldest daughter naman has allergy sa nickel. At saka preservatives, ganyan, no? So we wanted na safe siya sa lahat, no? Na kahit may allergies. So yun, kaya nag-decide kami sa glass bottle siya ilagay. And it's ready to eat, no preservatives, no extenders.
So, let's talk about yung sales and growth. Diba, as I mentioned kanina, survival, stability. Nasang stage na kayo as of the moment?
We're preparing for our groceries.
So survival pa ko na
Survival pa, yes.
Oh, wala ba? Hindi pa kayo stable as of now.
Not yet, not yet. Iba negosyo niya. Just to share, before, if takes you 7
Ano naman takutin yung mga, hindi yun.
It's ano eh. Kasi you know what, Chinky, what makes us also relentless,
Oo.
aside from having a big dream, is that we're in our 50s. And to start a new business, this
Stage.
at this stage, I'm not saying it's late. It's never too late. So challenging. Number one, social media, fast-paced,
Yeah.
not our core.
Oh.
It's not our core. Iba ang pagnegosyo of 20 years ago. From 15 to 20, even of 5 years ago, is different magnegosyo. So, that was our challenge, no? We're traditional entrepreneurs. My core is franchising. But again, going to this new field of food manufacturing, for you to scale, you have to have a good social media team, online team. Tapos, eto pa, we're hitting the groceries. So, mas challenging because the dream is paper.
Yeah, yeah. Well, good news. The good news is, if you need help, okay, kayo rin na nakikinig, if you need help sa social media on how to grow the business there, you can talk to me and I can help you. Definitely. Kaya nga, ikaw din, kung ikaw nakikinig ka dyan and then you want to start a business, pero yun nga, di mo alam kung paano, just type, I have a 14-day Juan Nego challenge eh. In 14 days, step by step siya. May panunuorin kang video in 14 days, makakabuo ka talaga ng isang business concept. Ang kagandahan kasi, hindi lang nanonood, ako rin ang coach sa'yo through the video, pero meron na siyang kasamang AI. So, yung idea mo, ipaprompt lang sa AI. So, may lalabas na siya. So, ngayon may technology na to really help you. So, if you're interested to really learn on how to do that, no, just type Nego sa comment section and I'll send you the link kung paano natin gagawin. Guys, warning lang may mga gumagawa po ng mga fake AI videos using my name para mag-endorse ng investment. I will never endorse any type of investment. If may makita kayo, please report it right away. Ingat. Back to our regular programming. So, right now, are you looking for distributors?
We already have a verbal agreement with the distributor. We're just waiting for one last permit na lang.
But we are,
Almost there.
we are also, for resellers.
Yeah,
Yeah, ikaw.
We welcome the resellers, the affiliates, of course.
So, paano yun? Paano yun? Like, first, give us a perspective. Pinyari, may taong nakikinig ngayon nanonood. Kanina, nag-food testing tayo. And then, nagustuhan nila. Paano yung package, no? How do they...
For the resellers, we have the starter kit,
Nalen.
and we have the Rockstar. We call it the Rockstar package.
Oh.
Our SRP kasi is 320 and 420. So if you start at 10 bottles, you could start the business already. You earn a percentage on that. And of course, for the Rockstar with the bigger volume, mas malaki yung percentage ng kita. At least may flexibility. For our affiliates, we are on TikTok.
Oh, may TikTok affiliate na kayo?
We're getting there. We're almost there.
Okay.
We're almost there. As we speak, we're building it already. We have a team who's handling it already.
Yeah.
So, like what you mentioned a while ago, the birth pains are here. But again, you just have to keep moving forward. We've been joining bazaars. Left and right. You know, I fell in love with bazaars.
Yeah. Yung live show, alam mo sa Dots, yung live, makikita mo pagka malalaman na matitikman nila, malalaman mo agad yung feedback ng clients.
Alam nyo, if you're starting a business, it's one big FGD.
Ang FGD, mga kapatid, focus group discussion.
You get it for free.
Yeah.
You get the feedback. You know what? We've been changing, not major, but very instrumental yung mga feedback na nakuha namin that we believe that really raised the bar for our products. And you know what? I love the community, Chinky. I love how dynamic it is, how hardworking they are. Pero mo, magbabazar kami from 10 to 10. Doon kami nakatayo. Hindi to yung bazaar, pupunta ka lang, hindi, we sell. We do food tasting eh. Like to share lang, if you have a very good product and you're in the food industry, do a food tasting. It's free, it's not an expense, it's an investment.
Yeah, it's a free advertising kasi yung tao gusto talaga matikman eh.
And that's word of mouth. It's really word of mouth. So we're growing through our word of mouth. Of course, it's a big advantage because, of course, artista si Harleen, a very famous one. But again, you have to put those advantages into one eh.
Yeah.
You have to capitalize on everything that you have dahil it's different now than before. Iba na talaga ngayon.
Ikaw, Harleen, ano na-discover mo?
Ngayon, iba na kasi yung panahon talaga ngayon eh. Social, digital na siya, kumbaga. Kailangan mo ng inputs at saka tulong mula sa mga bata.
Yeah, totoo.
Bata, like yung mga kids namin, tinatanong sila yung unang tinatanong namin for records, for mga feedback, ganyan. And ano yung magandang i-post, ano yung magandang, yun.
Yeah.
6 kids, huwag natin i-underestimate.
Oo
Hindi
naman.
mabagay sila, malaking tulong.
Mentorship also.
Yeah.
Mentors, talking to a lot of people. We've spoken with so many people from different, CEOs, presidents. Kahit sino, don't be embarrassed to ask for help because these people are willing to help.
Yes.
So willing to help.
So, ano ng vision nyo sa business na ginagawa nyo ngayon?
To go global, Chinky.
Wow.
Yeah, we are dead serious. We know we have a global product. The appeal is there, global appeal. We found a gap in the market. That's what we believe. It's a premium brand.
Yes.
But again, it's such a unique product.
Yeah. So guys, I hope that you are learning from this session of ours. Alam mo, sa pagnenegosyo, you find really the problem. O kung anong problema, and then you offer the solution, and then you will have an opportunity. So, I think yung problema na nasa-solve ng product nyo, yung based on what we have done and tasted, yung convenience eh. Di ba? That's number one.
Hindi mo na siya kailangang lutuin.
Oo.
Magpe-prep, di ka maghihiwa-hiwa, ganyan. Microwave lang siya.
So, matter of fact, papakuluan mo lang nga yung yung bote lang itself eh.
Pwede. Or patong, ganun mo na lang siya, kuha ka sa kutsara, ganun, lagay mo sa,
Init na kanin, talo-talo na yun. Oo.
very convenient talaga.
We're not an anti-canned brand. We're not attacking the canned goods. Oh my God, I love canned goods. But we are
Alternative.
the alternative.
Yeah.
We're an alternative to the instants, whether it's noodles or whatever it is. We're an alternative to the canned goods.
Yeah.
Believe that convenience is kagaya nyo, marami nag-work from home. The moms na nakakaawa, pag-uwi sa bahay dahil sa traffic, pagod. But wants to prepare something really good for the family. So ito, just pop the lid, pag-open, pag-serve mo. It's good. It's very good. Kung tatanungin mo kung really good for the mom.
Tapos kakatuwa kasi yung mga bata tumitikim din sa mga bazaars. Gusto talaga nila. They love the product. And I think if gusto ninyo pong mag-upgrade ng pantry ninyo, pagbukas ninyo,
Yeah.
kami magandang man doon. Yeah.
Anong pangalan ulit ng brand?
Every flake out. Ready to eat beef flakes in a jar.
Yeah.
Have 2 flavors, tapa and Malaysian rendang.
Yeah. Open ba kayo right now again for partnership or collaboration for your product? So how do they get in touch with you guys?
You can visit our IG page, message us. We'll be the ones to respond to you. We're very active on our socials
It's every flake counts on Instagram.
and all platforms.
Siguro last words na lang for you, Federico, as an entrepreneur. Ano masasabi mo sa mga entrepreneur out there na nag-i-struggle, nag-uumpisa lang? What can you say?
Well, like what we said kanina, nabuumpisa rin kami ulit. We are on our 50s and it's never too late. But it's more challenging physically, mentally, financially, everything. You have to really prepare yourselves. What's more important is you don't quit and you really have to give 100% faith to God. Talagang you do everything for God's grace, for God, that you're doing this not just for yourself, but also for your employees. The product it's bigger than you. The purpose should be bigger than the product, bigger than the revenue. The purpose is for the glory of God, for your employees. So then that's my message.
Galing. Bago tayo magpaalam, kung si Kuya Germs nagbibigay ng birch tree at saka happy, ako nagbibigay ako ng ipon box. Ipon challenge to. Ito, challenge natin. Are you familiar with this?
Nadadaanan ko sa feed ko.
Yeah. And this is a 60,000 ipon challenge, no? And first, sulat nyo muna kung ano yung what are you saving for. Sulat mo yan, and then start date, end date, and then start ka muna sa 20. Ako yan, nakalima ka, shadean mo na siya. Tapos nalagay mo yung barya, papel dito. Pag nabuo mo yung unconscious, may 60,000 ka. 20, 50, di ba? It's a challenge.
Ano sa mga bata?
Remember, kasi meron siya yung jars. Sa mga bata, what do you call that?
Ano yung...
This is
Ito na yun. I can give you more of this. Yes. Ito naman, game lang to. Every day, kung di nyo alam kung anong iipunin nyo, pick a card.
Anong iipunin?
Magkano iipunin nyo? Pick a card lang. Ano nakasulat?
Hulog lang ng 1,000 pesos sa iyong ipon box. Para makumpleto ang ipon. Okay.
So, pag may, ito naman kay Federico.
Free pass card. This is your free pass card. And pwedeng hindi ko muna maghulog sa iyong ipon box dahil nabunot mo ang card na ito. May pass.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Ito yung one of my latest books, 10 utos para di maubos. I highly recommend you read the chapter of sa business side. This book can help you to save hundreds of thousands and even millions. Yan. 10 utos, basa, bagong yan number 1.
Never start something you don't understand.
Pag hindi mo naintindihan, huwag mo pasukan. Delikado yan. Number 2, ano yung number 2?
Never borrow when you are starting your business.
Kasi mahirap kung nangutang ka tapos hindi ka pa sigurado nalugi, nagbabayad ka pa ng interest. At least kung puhunan mo siya, ang nawala lang principal, wala kang babayarang interest. Pwede ka lang mangutang pag mag-expand ka kasi kumikita na. Yes. Ano yung number 3?
Never get into business with friends and relatives without an agreement.
So yan, basta sundan nyo lang yan. This will help you to save a lot of pain.
Hindi lang money, ha?
Meron.
Money ang masisave dyan.
Yeah. Relationships. 10 utos bago mag-invest, 10 utos bago gumastos, 10 utos. So, it's a guide. And then, syempre, may buong set.
Buong set?
Di ba? Yung
my...
diary pa pulubi, may ipon diary, may budget diary, and all of the above.
Galing.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, Federico, thank you very much. Federico and Harley, maraming salamat sa pagbabahagi ninyo ng inyong kwento at mga lessons ninyo sa buhay at pera. Guys, there you have it, and I hope that you have learned so much from this session. Request ko lang, pwede, do me a favor. Pakita natin yung pagmamahal natin kay Harleen at kay Federico. Lahat tayo na nakikinig at nanood, subukan po natin ang every flake counts. Okay? Order tayo, lahat sabay-sabay, para makita natin ng mga kaipunaryo talaga. We support and love one another. Maraming salamat. Tatandaan, tamang karunungan, tamang disiplina po ang susi sa pagyaman.
Actually, nag-start siya as a sidewalk vendor.
Really?
Tawag nila, takatak.
Paano naman nabuo yung dance entertainment? Yeah, that's very interesting.
Well, ang papa was... I lost money. It was so difficult for me. Good product, wrong market,
Okay.
wrong location.
Bakit mali ang location?
I was situated...
You chose a different route. What really made you decide to make it different?
I guess we don't hire pag wala kang pangarap. Na-excite ako. Na-excite kami ng Harleen kasi
So, how many businesses ang ginawa mo bago ka talaga nag-succeed? Hindi naman negosyante si Kuya Germs. Saan mo nakuha yung knack for that? May moment ka ba ikaw personally na down ka talaga?
oh yeah. That hit us hard.